Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker JBL Grip. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and a USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at the back side of the speaker, at the bottom right here, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And on the top, we have the LED light, meaning that your speaker is charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your speaker. And all you need to have for this, USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to your speaker. Again, we need to check the LED light. We have it, so it also works. Third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. What look like this, and you can charge your speaker from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So we need to connect USB-C cable to the speaker, and USB-A cable I will connect to my PC, but as I said, you can connect with another device what have USB-A port. And I just did it, so let's check the LED light. We have it, so it's also charging your speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.